In this video, I'm going to show you why you should rub a banana peel on your shoes. The next time you need to get dressed up for a night out on the town and you want to look your best, what a better way than to start by giving your leather shoes a good polish. For this video, I will be using these black loafers. If your shoes are dull and are lacking their luster, you can shine them in a matter of minutes with a banana peel. This is a handy, cheap polishing hack that will cost you no more than the price of one banana, which is typically around 20 cents. Contrast that with an expensive shoe polish, and this is the perfect start to building a spiffy outfit on a budget. To do this, all you will need are your dull shoes and one banana. To get started, peel the banana, eat it if you're hungry, and rub the inside of the peel across the shoe. Take your time and make sure you hit all the surface area, not missing any spots along the way. If one part of the peel wears out, just use different areas of the peel to polish with. After you have wiped the entire shoe, you can take a damp cloth and wipe off any leftover banana goo or chunks left behind. The reason this works is the banana contains potassium, which is one of the main ingredients in shoe polish. Now notice how nice, crisp, and clean the shoes look afterwards. They're ready to go for a few hundred more miles. If you're wondering what happens when you put a band-aid on your nipple, click the video on the screen now, give this video a like, and I will see y'all in the next video.